Hi, I'm Nidhi Tandon. I've been in Delhi Exhibition World from 9 years. I'm here with Wandering Minds for the second time. And any comments, please address on the number flashed. The number is 9810267118. That's also my Paytm number. That's also my Google Pay number. We deliver pan India and all over the world. So you rest assured with our quality. Any problem with any outfit, we are there to help you out. First of all, we recheck the garment again and again, and we had a great successful time, our first live here. So this is the second live we are doing. We've got our Karwa Chauth collection, we've got a festive collection, we have certain pieces on discount, and our range is extremely a pocket friendly range. We could have had a very expensive range, but we don't believe in that. So I'm starting with my collection. We had a stock up yesterday, so we'll start with the new stock up first. This is a glaze cotton suit. It was stocked yesterday for the show. That's the intricate work on this. You can see the work closely. It's with a Banarsi dupatta. The lowers are pure cotton with little tassels. The piece is shaded. The Banarsi dupatta is shaded. It's a beautiful combination. And the piece is 2300. It's a completely a pocket friendly range. It's 2300. That's the piece. You can take screenshots. Screenshots are mandatory so that we help you out. Yeah. Second piece is this piece. It's a completely festive piece. It was earlier 2500. That's the piece. It's a festive piece. We put it on 2300 today only. That's the look of the garment. Hi Deepthi Roy. Hi Neetu. That's a very beautiful green. We have pictures of the product. The piece is 2300. I'm going ahead. This we had last time also, but this time we have a little different piece. The piece is with mirror work. Earlier it was a crinkled dupatta. This is again a art silk dupatta. Again it was a restock yesterday. It's a Chanderi fabric with this dupatta. It's a beautiful festive piece. The piece is 1500 only. It's a very good gifting range. It's a bandhej effect with this Chanderi. It's 1500. You can take screenshots. Another soft piece. This is a pure cotton piece. It's a good gifting item. With this chiffon dupatta, it's a printed chiffon dupatta. It's a huge piece. People had a demand for huge pieces. This is a huge piece. And the piece is again 1500. You can take screenshots. Coming to another 1500 piece. This is a rustic look. See the piece? It's got light mirror work. That's the mirror work. It has this gotapati. The lowers are brown. That's the piece. For earthly, people like earthly tones. This is a 1500. And this is the back of the piece. So like it's a gota work. All over gota work on the border. And it's a pure cotton. It's 1500. Another piece for 1500. is a cotton block. It's not a navy blue, it's a grayish blue. The lowers are orange. And the piece is, it's got a tie and dye dupatta. That's the dupatta. And the piece is 1500. It's a software, it's a gifting piece. Very pretty piece. Coming to this rustic piece again. Sorry, I like earthly tones. So we're going to be starting with earthly tones. That's a very soft muslin piece. This is a hand sequence. You can see the hand sequence here. And that's the dupatta. Look at the dupatta. It's got a patola effect. The piece is 2800. That's the lower. It's a different combination altogether. It's a summer winter piece. 2800. Coming to an edition of yesterday. Look at the piece. It's a chanderi with this meenakari work. You can look at the work closely. Beautiful piece. We haven't launched it yet. It's launched for Wandering Minds. That's the dupatta. Look at the work on the dupatta. That's the look at the back. It's a very pretty piece. It's a subtle and a pretty piece. The piece is 3000. It's half stitched. Cotton lowers. You can see this piece. It's a mustard piece. We just sold it from the studio in the morning. This is the second piece. The piece is 2500. It's a hand thread. This is the look of the garment. It's a very, very pretty piece. It's a festive piece. And we have another color in this for nude people, nude lovers. Like, I really love these kind of shades. It's 2500. That's the second color. You can take screenshots. My number is 9810267118. Coming to a heavier piece which we launched yesterday night at Shopwati. It's for 3500. Usually such pieces we sell very, very expensive. That's the work. It's a Sabyasachi on Georgette. And it's a hand sequence, hand thread, sequence on the dupatta. The price is 3500. Anybody who wants to comment or anything, we can address it after the show. We're trying to read the comments today with the show. Otherwise, we are here 24/7 to attend. Such a piece we usually sell for 6500, but for Wandering Minds, it's 3500. It's a Georgette with a sequence with this thread work. It's a Sabyasachi. You can take screenshots. It's a beautiful festive piece. You can wear for any small function also. Look at this piece. It's again a nude color, a beige. This is a patch. Beautiful color. Added yesterday. Pintex with a patch. These are all patchwork flowers here. Hi Gitika. So this is a beautiful piece. Came in yesterday. The piece is 2650. It's a royal piece. Coming to a georgette piece, a heavy piece. Look at the piece. It came in earlier. It's a restocked piece for black lovers. It's a complete hand sequence. The dupatta has this sequence work, Mahim sequence work. You can see the sleeves. It's all sequence, all hand sequence going on. You can see the meenakari work closely on the suit. And the piece is 4500. This is semi-stitched piece. Usually such pieces, if you go to Atelier Delhi or Gyans or something, you'll find it for 7800 minimum. Our pricing offer is 4500. It's a heavy piece. You can wear for any reception or cocktail or a wedding. So according to you, it's a semi-stitched. You can get back to me after the show. We can measure the piece for you. It's at the moment semi-stitched with this shantoon lining. You can check it out. Yeah. We'll break it with some reasonable pieces. This is a piece with Kashmiri work. It's a glaze cotton with this dupatta. You can see it closely. See the piece closely. That's the shirt. It's a wine color with this chiffon dupatta. This piece, the navy blue went to Mumbai. Sorry, it's not pressed because we have like 500 pieces in the studio. The piece is semi-stitched. And the piece is for 2200 only. It's a pocket-friendly range. Look at this piece. Coming to another piece. Subtle piece now. This is a Chanderi piece. It's a huge piece. That's the hugeness of it. It's a very, very huge piece for anybody who's heavy. Hi Meenakshi. Any queries you can address me after the show. Thank you Neetu for always taking pains even in our darkest hours where we are not technically savvy as you are. This is a Banarsi dupatta. The piece is Chanderi. The dupatta is muslin, silkish sort of a tone. The bottom is cotton. And the piece is only 2500. It's a pocket friendly range totally. It's a different color. A light pastel color. Coming to 1800 pieces. Look at the pieces. That's a sequence work. You can see it closely. I'll put it here. Yeah, you can see it very, very closely. That's the dupatta. Two colors. The pieces are 1800. They are half stitched. They are art silk dupattas. You've seen the work, sequence work closely. We'll zoom it again for you. That's the work. They're very good gifting items also. Hi everyone. Anybody has any queries, you can get back to me after the show. We've shown you two colors. We have pictures of the product. So anything you want pictures of, majorly we have all pictures. That's the back. Coming to this piece, this is also a new stock up. It's a bottle green. You can see the piece closely. That's the dupatta. The bottom is reddish carrotish color. That's the color. All sequence handwork. The fabric is glaze cotton. The bottom is cotton. The dupatta is muslin. That's the look. It's for 2350. It's a reasonable range, affordable range. Just shirt. Coming to a stitched piece, it's a free size. It's a completely stitched piece. Look at the piece. It's a pure cotton with this dupatta. Look at the dupatta. It has lowers. It already has palazzo, same material. It's a pure cotton. It's the Kellall and Fab India quality. See the look. That's the look. And this is the piece. It's a beautiful piece with this gota lines. The piece is 2300 again. It's a stitched piece. No hassle with the tailor. It's a free size. We can alter the piece for you according to your size. At the moment it's a 2XL. Anybody who's a medium, either we order the piece or we taper it for you. Coming to another piece, a soft piece. It's 2200. It's a cotton piece. The piece is large only, so anybody from a small to a large can apply. It's a soft cotton. That's the gota work on it. Look at the gota work. And the piece is 2200 only. It's festive yet light. Screenshots for all is mandatory, otherwise I won't be able to help you because I also have to search for pictures and all. Thank you everybody for commenting. We have a 3XL demand. Even a 5XL, anybody who's a 5XL, we have pieces. It's a Kota Doria dupatta with this work. It's a machine thread work basically. Look at the piece. This one is on a discount. It's this beautiful piece is on a discount. It's for 1900. The piece is 1900. Coming to a pink piece, it's a glaze cotton again with these flowers. Sorry, the piece is not pressed because it's season time and we have lots of pieces. They get crushed, most of them. But we finish the pieces and give. This piece is flat 2000. It's half stitch. It's a soft chanderi. That's the work. That's the neckline. It's got little mirrors here. It's a complete sequence handwork for 2000 with mirror work. The piece has cotton lowers. The dupatta is cotton. It's all handwork sequence. This is a thread machine and mirror for 2000. That's the look of the garment. Let's go press. Coming to a festive piece. This is a soft chanderi again. It's an open piece. Like anybody who's a 3XL or 4XL can apply for this. It's a hand zardozi. You guys can take screenshots for any queries or anything. This is a hand jardozi on a soft chanderi. The bottom is a cotton. That's the bottom. This is a muslin dupatta with this lace. It's a sweet piece. The piece is 2300. It's a festive piece. You can get any bottoms made. That's the piece. Yeah. Breaking it up with a green. Again a festive piece. Look at the piece. It's a machine thread. It's not a hand thread. It's a glaze cotton. Soft piece. Cotton lowers. The piece is 2000 flat. That's the piece. Breaking it up with the Indo-Western. This is a asymmetrical top. You can see the top closely, then I'll show you the skirt. It's a thread work. The top is asymmetrical. And we have a skirt with it. We'll just show you the skirt. The size is stitched at 42. That's the skirt. Look at the skirt with these tassels. It's a free size skirt. You can wear the skirt with anything. It's a completely stitched piece. It's a thread work. That's the look of the garment. And the piece is 2200 right now. Coming to another stitched piece. Look at this rustic piece. That's the kurta. That's the sleeves. We are taking orders on the piece. At the moment the piece is double XL. We can either taper or we can get you a medium size or a large according to you. And this is a thread work. It's a rustic piece again. And the piece is 2200. We have palazzos with it. It's a pure cotton. It's a pure cotton. Coming to a very unusual combination. Look at this piece. It's a sequence work here with this thread work machine. And this is a crinkle dupatta. The fabric is a glaze cotton here. And look at the crinkle dupatta. It's a very beautiful effect of this. Very cute effect it's giving. And you should see the sequence handwork closely. And the piece is for 2200 again. Again a very pocket friendly range. The piece is quite big. Like that's the size. It's a huge piece. So we can measure if you are a 3XL or a 4XL. That's the look. It's a cute look. This piece is restocked again. I think we started our last live with Neetu ji with this piece. It's restocked again. There's a query. Can you read out, Garima? Yeah.
Can you show something in plus size?
This one is for a plus size. Any unstitched pieces we are showing are plus sizes. So we're going to show you more pieces on plus sizes. It's a muslin dupatta. What's your size? You can specify. 52 would be a size 20 Marks and Spencer. This could fit 20 Marks and Spencer easily. And we're showing you more unstitched pieces. This piece is 1500 again. Coming to this one also is okay for a plus size. It's a soft chanderi with this bandhej dupatta. This is very much for a plus size from a small size. Can you specify your Marks and Spencer size? I'll be able to help you better then. That's the look. Showing you more pieces in plus sizes. This is a chanderi piece. It's a huge piece. See the piece? Huge piece. It's a block on chanderi. It's got sequins. That's the back block. Look at the piece. That's the dupatta. It's a huge piece. Look at the piece. And the piece is 2700. And it's got shantoon lowers. I'll just show it to you. This is the shantoon lowers. It's a very pretty color. We have a black also. We'll just come up to the black in a minute. That's the piece. We have pictures, so you can ask me for pictures. It's for a 54 size also. You're a 52. Coming to another big size piece. This is a Sabyasachi, very much in demand. The lower is this. Open it. And this is the dupatta. Look at the beautiful dupatta. It's a Sabyasachi. The piece is for 3300. Again, it's a chanderi. If you have a shantoon lining, it will make you look slimmer. And this is the piece. We have the pictures. I showed you a maroon suit for plus size just now. This is the black of that maroon. It's a grayish black. It's not a proper black. That's the piece. It's for a huge size. Look at the piece. And we have smoky grey shantoon with it. Look at the piece. The piece is 2700 like the maroon one. Coming up to a georgette piece. This is also a huge piece. See the piece? It's a georgette like a Lucknowi effect. Beautiful piece. The piece is 3500. It's got the same color shantoon. This is the dupatta. Look at the dupatta. The piece is 3500. It's an open piece for plus sizes. And the lower is the same color. Again a plus size piece for 1500. That's the piece. Again a festive color, 1500. Plus size doesn't mean that anybody who's a small cannot get it stitched. Anybody who's a small also can get it stitched. Look at the piece. 1500. Another piece for 1500. This is the piece. Look at the piece. It's a gota work. This is again 1500 festive piece. Chiffon dupatta with gota work, cotton lowers. And this is a cotton piece. The piece is 1500. All the open pieces will fit the from a small person to a 4XL. So you don't need to ask me. All the open pieces will fit. The open piece which doesn't fit, I will let you know. You can see this piece closely. Beautiful kalamkari dupatta. Art silk kalamkari dupatta. Look at the kalamkari dupatta. Beautiful color. Look at the combination. This is the combination. The piece is 1650. That's the look. You can take screenshots. My number is 98102 67118. Again, a 3XL matter, 4XL matter is sold. The last piece was the glaze cotton, the mustard one. This particular one is a Chanderi one. This is the lowers. And this is art silk dupatta. It's a patola effect, yet it's formal. Look at the piece. Look at the beauty. Art silk dupatta, Chanderi piece. This one is a 1500 on Chanderi. Festive piece. Look at the piece. Coming to a discounted piece. Again, it's a big piece. This one is with the palazzo. And the piece is 1200 only. So it's a two-piece set. Just the shantoon lowers and the shirt. It's a Chanderi self-weave fabric with this work. You can see the work closely, and the piece is 1200. This particular piece is an open piece, but anybody who's a double XL up till size Marks and Spencer 16 can wear, otherwise not. The others 4XLs can also wear. This is a handwork with this patch butterflies, and the dupatta is organza. Look at the dupatta. It's a hand paint actually, sorry, with this hand patch butterflies. This is the dupatta. The piece has gone 1500 for the first time. It's on a discount. The lowers for this is cotton. The piece will only fit up till a double XL. Earlier ones can fit up till a 4XL. And the piece is 1500. Another piece, a huge piece, is this hand block. That's the piece. Look at the mask. This is a crinkled dupatta. The piece is a pure cotton. It's a soft cotton. It's for 1400. The piece is 1400. Coming to another festive cotton piece for huge people. I've covered a lot of 4XLs today. Again, a small can easily apply because it's a loose fabric. That's the combination. The piece is 1400 today. Another piece coming for 1400 is with this batik dupatta. Look at the dupatta. You can use this dupatta lots of times. The bottom is black, a basic black. The piece is a soft khadi cotton. Look at the combination. It's a very good office piece also. That's the work. Look at the dupatta. The piece is 1400 only. Showing you another open fabric. This is a self-weave khadi cotton. It's a cotton lowers, chiffon dupatta. Again a festive piece. The piece is 1500. Very pretty piece. 1500 for people who understand it's a khadi cotton. Coming to an unusual combination again. This is again a chanderi. It's an open piece again. Look at the piece. That's the lower. This is the dupatta. Dupatta has all handwork. This is the handwork. That's the combination. And the piece is 1500. Coming back to the formal series again. We have 3 colors in this. I'm just putting them. One is this one. I'll put it here. You can see it's a green with this Banarsi dupatta. The fabric is muslin and the dupatta is Banarsi. Hi dear. And the piece is only 2500. Look at the piece. It's just 2500. It's how you choose. This is the, look at the gadai here. That's the gadai. It has the same gadai on the sleeves. It's a soft color with this Banarsi dupatta. Dupatta can be used over the years. The piece is 2500. Showing you more colors related to this. This is a dirty pink. This is the back. You can take screenshots. This was a green color. This is the dirty pink with the magenta. Look at the color. You guys can take screenshots. It's a very nice product for Karva Chauth also. It's a muslin with a cotton dupatta. That's the look. With this gadai. And the piece is 2500. Showing your third color. This is a navy blue. Extremely a different combination. Look at the piece. Soft muslin. These are the lowers for this. And this is the dupatta. 2500. We have some pieces on our tie and dye series. This is a pure muslin. That's the tie and dye series we have. This is the dupatta. It's a completely different combination. It's a soft color. The piece is 1200 half stitch. The bottoms are grey. This is a pink with a hand block with this work. The piece is 1200 only. It's on a discount. You can take screenshots.
Jyoti Kapoor asking how to order.
We can order. You can call me up. My Garima just put it there. Jyoti, you can order by WhatsApping me first the product. You have to take a screenshot because I'll not know what you like, what you don't. And secondly, just send me a screenshot. The method of paying is right here. And we deliver all over India. Don't think if you're sitting it's like in the morning I packed 4 suits for Vijayawada. So I've been doing exhibitions all over Delhi. So mostly everybody recognizes me. So from 9 years I've been in the exhibition world. So that's the look. It's 1200 only. I showed you pink color in this earlier. This is a beige. Beige and gota. It's a good gifting item. It's a gota lines with this sequence work. It's a gota sequence together. Sorry, it doesn't have sequence. I'm sorry. The piece is 1500. You can take screenshots. We have pictures of the product. Coming to another soft piece. Look at the piece. It's a chanderi with this soft work. It's a gota work with sequence line. Garima, just put it again. Just zoom it. It's a beautiful combination. I want to show you the combination. This is a sequence with thread work. And the piece here is 2800. That's the piece. You can take screenshots. Coming to 2 more new additions this week. Very soft pieces. Very, very soft pieces. It's just nothing but yet festive. Look at the dupatta closely. It's a thread work on the dupatta. It's not a paint. They are like classy for all seasons, whether it's a summer, whether it's a winter. The maroon is breaking with the beige. The piece is flat 2000 with this crinkle lace. It's an open piece again. Somebody had a demand for open pieces. Look at this color. Look at the piece. It's a thread work. Coming to another color. It's a black. You know, this is again a very nice piece when you're carrying your shawls and yet you're carrying the dupatta at the side. And this is a thread work. I'm again repeating, it's not a paint. Because people will ask me, what is it? It's a thread, Mahim thread work. And the pieces are 2000 flat. Coming to a sharara piece. This is a Karwa Chauth piece totally. We have to break it with the subtle and the pastels. This is the latkan. Look at the latkans. This is a stitch sharara. The sharara is pure cotton. Look at the cotton. And the shirt is chanderi. Anybody who's a 3XL can also apply. I'm opening the shirt and showing it to you because it's a huge piece. Look at the piece. This is the latkan. It's a chiffon dupatta with this gota work. This is the shirt. And the piece is for 2500. Showing you another color in the same piece. This is a yellow color. Look at the piece. Yellow color with these latkans. And the shirt is as big. I'm not opening this shirt. The sharara is cotton. The shirt is chanderi. The dupatta is chiffon. Coming to a few dresses to break it. This is a new stock up. Look at the dress. It's a free size. Look at the piece. I'm hanging it here for the comfort level. Karima, just show. See the piece? It's a free size. From anybody from a medium to a XL will fit in. We'll have to taper the piece for you accordingly. This particular piece is 2300. It's a pocket friendly range. It's a festive piece. Anybody who doesn't want to wear a dupatta or something, it's a pretty piece. It's a basic blue. See the piece? And the fabric is a cotton viscose. We are showing you another color in this. This is the second color. This is a completely new stock up this week. I'm hanging it a little higher. Look at the sequence work closely. The piece is 2300. Coming to our third dress. This is a little heavier piece than the ones shown earlier. Look at the piece. The earlier two were cotton viscose. This is a crepe. Look at the piece. Anybody can get into it. We have margins in the product. This is a sequence work. Look at the sequence work. And this is Nalki work here. The piece, this has, thank you Neetu. It just came in yesterday. We haven't even clicked the pictures yet. That's the piece. Look at the piece. It's a block. And the piece is 2700. 2700. For anybody who doesn't want to wear a dupatta, like I hate dupattas. It's a very pretty piece. Coming to beautiful pieces, you have to see them to believe it. Showing you two colors. You look at the latkans. That's the piece. Look at the Banarsi effect on the dupatta. And this is a sequence. Look at the intricate sequence here. The piece is huge. Look at the piece. It's huge. See the piece. And you should see the sequence very, very closely. It's a Dabawa sequence work. And a tie and dye effect. The piece is 2800 for Wandering Minds, sorry. Wandering Minds. I'm showing you the other color. That's the back. You can take screenshots. Leheria, sequence, Banarsi finish. 2800 for Wandering Minds. Otherwise, we sell for 35. This is the other color indeed. Look at the color. It's a beauty. Look at the effect. Beautiful color. It's a huge piece, cotton lowers. It's a pure muslin piece. with this Banarsi touch. Coming to the next piece. This is a Banarsi sort of a piece. It's a cotton silk fabric. This is a Banarsi effect completely. Look at the piece. It's a paisley. It's a maroon color. At the moment it's showing a different color on the phone, I guess. I'm picking up the piece. That's the effect. That's the sleeves. It's a festive piece. Look at the dupatta trimmings. The piece is 3200. Look at the piece carefully. It's a festive piece totally. Coming to a hand thread Zardozi, we rarely hear this word, hand thread Zardozi. Rarely, in Delhi especially. It's a pure muslin, so the crush. Look at the intricate work. The piece is stitched at 44 size. It's a double XL. But that doesn't mean we cannot alter or taper. We can. The bottoms are unstitched. We can zoom in the embroidery again. You won't find thread Zardozi in Delhi. It's from a Kolkata designer. And this is the organza dupatta. That's the effect. I should put it that side. It's a subtle piece, yet a festive piece for subtle lovers. See the piece. The effect is very nice of the piece. The piece is 2500 with the lowers, with the organza dupatta, and it's a stitched piece with this Zardozi work. So 2500 for the piece. How we can order is, you can Google Pay, Paytm, my phone number. Garima is focusing again, you can check it out. Coming to the Karwa Chauth special piece of the day. It's a Dola silk. Look at the handwork, please. This is a Zardozi with this Banarsi dupatta. Look at the dupatta. Beautiful dupatta. You can reuse the dupatta for other things. It's an intricate work. People are selling this piece on an exorbitant rate right now. Our offer for the day is 3500 only. People are selling minimum 48. Minimum. And the place where we were doing exhibitions like Emporio Promenade, I used to sell such pieces for 68 minimum. So keeping the lockdown in mind, it's a beauty for 3500. It's a half stitched piece, Dola silk. Breaking it up. Cotton piece, official wear. For me, a normal wear because I love this color. A new stock up again. Look at the hand block. This cycles with a sequence. Beautiful piece. Look at the sequence on the cycle closely. And the dupatta is a thread work. It's a machine thread. It's not a hand thread. It's a machine thread with a block. The piece is 2300. It's a very classy number. Very, very classy piece. Very nice piece. That's the piece. Coming to another new stocker of the day. We haven't launched it yet. It's a sequence work. Look at the sequence work. Thank you, Rachna. You've been inquiring a lot. I didn't get a chance to speak to you on the phone. I would really love to. This piece came in yesterday. I want to show you the tassels. That's the beauty. That's the tassel. We haven't yet clicked pictures of this. That's all sequence work here. It's a Opara silk. The piece is Opara silk. Look at the piece. The piece is 3300. Just come in fresh. Coming to a discounted piece. Look at the cotton piece. It's a hand block. The piece is 1650 on a discount. At the moment it's stitched. It's a two-piece stitched at stitched at XL size, and we can taper up till a small, no problem at all. It's 1650. Coming to a soft chanderi piece. It's a very, very popular piece with us. Look at the piece. That's the dupatta with these tassels. Look at the piece. Soft chanderi. This piece has gone down to Dubai also. It's a half stitch piece. And the piece is 2700. Again a Satyapal print piece for 2500. It's a pure muslin with this Satyapal print dupatta. It's a brick red with a grey. Look at the piece. It's nothing but simple yet very classy. Look at the piece. It's a pure muslin. Look at the combination. And the piece is 2500 only. Coming to this piece, it's a pure chinon with this digital dupatta. This indeed is the digital dupatta. It's a different pink. Not a pink, not a peach, in between color. That's the color. It's a half stitched pure chinon piece with this digital dupatta. It's a digital Banarsi dupatta. Shantoon lowers. Very, very classy number. 2600. You can take screenshots. That's the piece. Coming to another festive piece. You can see this piece closely. It's a festive piece and the piece is 2600 only. And it's a soft chanderi. Very soft chanderi. 2600. This piece has just flown from Kolkata again. It's a silk. For subtle lovers, I want to first show you the dupatta. This is all a hand thread. It's a hand thread. The beauty of it is that it's got work on the sleeve. Look at the work closely. It's French knots and a hand thread. It's plain but classy. It's just got work on the sleeves and the neckline. It's a beauty for subtle people. Everybody has black lowers. The piece is 2700. It's a silk. It's not a pure silk, mind you. If anybody challenges me, we can do any size or color with this. This is it. With this scallop dupatta. Dupatta you can reuse for summers, for winters. We have beautiful color shades also. We can do a wine also in this. See? But at the moment we have black. Any orders for this one will be after Diwali. It's a silk. That's the thing. Coming to a few more shararas and heavy skirt pieces. Look at this piece. This is a heavy skirt. It's a Banarsi skirt. Look at the Banarsi skirt. And this is a half stitched muslin shirt. It's a silk muslin with this meenakari work. And the dupatta is Banarsi. The piece is for 5500. That's the piece. It's a royal piece with this meenakari work. Banarsi dupatta. That's the look of the garment. You can take screenshots. It's 5500. Coming up with another skirt piece. Again a Banarsi skirt with this meenakari work. With this Banarsi effect. 5500. This piece is stitched at size medium. It's a palazzo. It's a pure cotton. Palazzo is this one. That's the print. Same print as the dupatta here is the palazzo. And the piece is cotton. It's a medium at the moment. We are taking orders on bigger sizes. It's a hand block. The piece is for 2200. Look at the piece. 2200. It's a medium currently. Anybody who's a small to a medium can apply right away. Otherwise, we're booking orders. Coming to another piece. This is a two-shaded dupatta. It's a cotton silk piece. Look at the piece. Look at the thread work closely. That's a hand thread. It's a cotton silk. The piece is at the moment 2500. It's a stitched piece with margins. It will open till double XL. And we have cotton lowers with it. The bottoms are stitched. unstitched. The shirt is stitched, and the piece is 2500. Another piece for 2200. It's stitched at size 44. It's a block with gota, with a palazzo. We can make it into a small also. It's a free size basically, and the piece is 2200. That's the piece. It's a soft pastel shade. 2200.
$215. 215.
Okay. So we'll just show you a few more pieces and break the show. This is a pure georgette with meenakari work. It's a sequence work all together with a dupatta with sequence. Dupatta with Swarovski chiffon dupatta. The piece is for 4500. We showed you a black similar. It's a pure georgette sequence work all over with meenakari work, half stitched. A perfect formal wear. Showing you a few last pieces and we'll break the show. This one is a red and a, look at the combi. Red sequence with this Banarsi dupatta. It's a very different combination. Look at the combination. The piece is for 2300. Look at the piece. Showing you a pure muslin in 2300. Look at the piece. It's a pure muslin with a bandhej effect. That's the piece. It's a huge piece. 2300. That's a different intricate work. This is a Zardozi piece. It's a Zardozi work here on glaze cotton. The piece is 2200. It's an open piece again with a chiffon dupatta. It's a printed chiffon dupatta with tassels. It's a peacock green. Coming to a lemon. Lemon with the organza dupatta with mirror work. It's a soft chanderi with delicate mirror work, half stitched. The piece is 2200. Coming up with a white sharara set. Beautiful hand block. Look at the piece. The piece is 2500. Glaze cotton piece with sequence work. Look at the sequence work. Art silk dupatta. The piece is gone 1500 for the day. A new stock up. A grey sharara set. It's a nude color again, a grey color, a very different color. Look at the gota work. It's a huge piece. And this is the second color. Peach and a grey. Beautiful colors. We are finishing up with two chinon pieces, chinon sharara sets. Because they're stitched pieces. This is the first piece. Look at the piece closely. It's a dirty pink. Whole sequence work with Swarovski work. And the pieces are stitched pieces. They are 4,800 each. Showing you more pieces. This is a green color in this. Look at the green color. Look at the green color. It is a stitch piece with this chignon lowers. So we have another color, but I'm not showing you right now because we are short of time and we have an appointment in the studio. So bye bye, I'm finishing off this show. Thank you so much. We'll come soon with more festive collection. Bye bye. Thank you.